Hello, Evergreen traders and investors. This is JC De Guzman, founder and CEO of Equilyst Analytics Incorporated, and you are listening or watching our EquiTalks series. We are already on our EquiTalks episode number 101. And today is February 11, 2020, Tuesday. In this episode, let's talk about Ionics Incorporated, and the stock code is ION, ION. By the end of this discussion, this question will be answered. Is ION poised to break below 1 peso and 15 centavos? You will know what is this 1.15 toward the end of this of my technical analysis. And remember, my technical analysis is based on my evergreen strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market. This evergreen strategy is a collection of my proprietary methodologies whenever I do short-term trading or long-term investing in the Philippine stock market. It's actually an online stock market course or an online stock market seminar. Would you like to know more? Would you like to know the details about this online stock market course? Then let me welcome you to visit our website at equilyst.com and then click on the course page or menu on top. All right, you will see the details of the 6 lessons that you will learn from me, which you will not find on Google, by the way. And I guarantee you that. Well, unless I was the one who published it on Google, of course. Well, without further ado, let's talk about my analysis for Ionics. So this is the daily chart of Ion. So today, February 11, 2020, Ion closed at 1.27. Support is at 1.15. So that's what's the 1.15 is, the support level. Immediate support level. Resistance is near 1.46. And there's no net foreign, there's no foreign participation. There's no participation from the foreign investors or foreign fundies today for Ion. Okay, but they are net sellers year to date. Should we be worried? No, we should not. Why? Their participation is not that significant, relatively speaking, of course. Now, the 10 SMACD of Ion is bearish. At this early, I'm already telling you, sorry to say, there's no buy signal confirmation for Ion yet. Okay, so when can I say? When can I say that there's a buy signal confirmation for a stock, for any stock? When the 10 MACD and when the momentum power indicator are both, I said both, not either, are both bullish. Okay, so let's continue. The risk level of Ion is already extremely high due to its historical volatility score of 256%. So leave this one to the experienced and disciplined trader. This is not a newbie-friendly stock. How would you know which ones are newbie friendly and which ones are not? It's discussed in the online stock market course that I introduced a while back. Okay? Now, today's total turnover value is only at 750,000 pesos. Local traders were the main drivers today. Based on my trade and volume distribution analysis, the volume weighted average price of Ion is at 1.25. It's still lower than the last price. The dominant range is between 1.24 to 1.25. And unfortunately, that's closer to the intraday low than the intraday high. And that is more than enough for its momentum power indicator to become bearish. So there's really no buy signal confirmation. The true market sentiment, which is bearish, seconds the motion. Okay? Now, for the best part, I know this is what you've been looking for or waiting for, most especially if you have Ion in your portfolio, the recommendations part. Understand that in the recommendations part, it's always under the assumption that your trailing stop is intact. Okay? Remember that so that you don't misquote me. Now, if you still have Ion, I would recommend that you reduce the percentage of risk on your trailing stop. Rewind that part if you're having a hard time, if that didn't register. Okay? Why? because the downtrend is more than likely to continue. You can use our trailing stop calculator on our website. It's on our website. Go to equilyst.com, click resources, go to tools, and then trailing stop, together with the other calculators that I uploaded there. Okay? Now, don't average down. That's not a wise thing to do because you're just going to waste your buying power if you're going to average down when the circumstances are in favor of the bears. Okay, don't waste your buying power. Okay, now if you don't have ion, but for some weird reasons you'd like to have it, please wake up. No, I'm just kidding. Don't do a test buy on ion. That's what I'm trying to say. Don't do a test buy. Why? I think the reasons are obvious. There's no buy signal confirmation. The 10 MACD, the momentum power indicator are both bearish. It should be the opposite for you to get a buy signal confirmation. Well, as far as the Evergreen strategy is concerned, my strategy, okay? So, as simple as that, okay? No sugarcoating. All right, so now the good news is if you'd like to request for our latest analysis and recommendation for ION or for any stock listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange, you can ask that in our private clients forum as often as you'd like to. Okay? Now, how do you do that? Well, of course, you can do that if you are one of our subscribers. Subscribers to what? Of course, to our online stock market subscription service. All right. How do you become a subscriber? Well, go to our website at equilyst.com and then click the subscribe page or menu on top. You will find maybe around 6 to 7 orange read the details buttons. Click all of those 6 to 7 buttons and read everything from the very first letter to the very last punctuation mark. Just to make sure that you really know what you are signing up for. Because as much as possible, I don't want to engage with you on a discussion like, oh, this is not what I expected. Oh, I am expecting a banana. I'm getting an apple. No, it's already explained on the website what we can only give you, what we are willing to give you. So if you like what we can give you, then subscribe. If you don't, then don't. All right, as simple as that. And there are 6 inclusions in our stock market subscription service. Okay, and the details for those inclusions are explained on those 6 to 7 orange buttons. All right, equilyst.com, and then go to the subscribe page or menu on the home page. And also, sign up. Take this opportunity to sign up to our free newsletter so that you will be notified through email when we publish a new episode like this one. How do you sign up? Go to our website, equilyst.com, click on resources, and then click learn. You will see that orange button once again. Click it, sign up, check your inbox for the confirmation email. Confirm your registration, of course. If it's not in your inbox, well, check your spam or junk folder. It should be there, I'm sure. Otherwise, if it's not really there, then contact us. There's a contact page on our website. And also, follow us on all of our social media accounts. So there's a description box down below. Okay? You will find the links to our social media channels. Follow us so that aside from that email, you will also be notified through your favorite social media account when we publish a new episode. All right, so if you have comments, questions, or if you'd like to express your appreciation for doing this for free, all right, for us doing this for free, uh, write a comment on our SoundCloud channel, podcast, or on our YouTube channel. All right, let us know. Let us know or give us your suggestions. All right, this is JC De Guzman, and thank you for listening to our new EquiTalks episode. Always remember, be evergreen.